Hello everyone, welcome to the M5 Stack basic tutorial video. Today, we will introduce how to flash firmware onto the paper using M5 Burner and demonstrate how to use the UIFlow 2 graphical programming tool for development. Before conducting the experiment, you need to prepare the Type-C USB data cable in advance and install the M5 Burner desktop application on the computer in advance. Next, we will proceed with flashing the firmware using M5 Burner. Log in to your M5 Stack community account. Select the paper from the device list on the left. Choose the appropriate firmware version. Download the paper firmware. Connect the computer to the device via a Type-C USB data cable. At this point, the device will automatically enter the download mode. Click Burn to burn. Bind the device to your account. Fill in the required configuration information, such as Wi-Fi settings. Click Next to begin flashing. If you need to change the configuration information burned later, after the device connects to the computer and enters the download mode, click Configure to reburn the configuration information. Next, we will proceed with UIFlow to programming. Log in to the official website of UIFlow 2. Log in to your M5 Stack community account. UIFlow 2 supports two development methods: online programming and offline programming. First, I will demonstrate how to develop online using Wi-Fi. Click the Device Management button at the bottom to view online devices and select the currently connected paper. Next, I will demonstrate how to display interface fonts on the paper device. Now, I will demonstrate how to develop offline using USB. Modify the program. Click the web terminal at the bottom left, select the serial port connected to the paper, and click Run. If you want to download and save the program directly to the device, click the Download button.